This week is the 25th anniversary of one of the most destructive earthquakes in California, the Loma Prieta earthquake of 6.9 magnitude. It originated in the Santa Cruz Mountains, but its damaging effects were felt from Oakland to Salinas. Rena Katzen was teaching a Hebrew class at SJSU when the earthquake struck.
I just continued teaching as if nothing had happened, but there were some frightened faces in the class. And I guess I didn't just realize that how serious it was, and I was continuing to teach until we heard a lot of commotion in the hallway and classes were being evacuated.
63 people were killed and 3,757 were injured.